Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is October 6, 2025. And this week we have an upcoming upgrade to mainnet. The guys will talk more about it in a little bit. But let's get started on what we're up to this week. Caleb.
I am working on exporting some of the data that we are scraping from Layer with Prometheus so that we can run some long-term data analysis on how we come to a price and what sources are best, stuff like that. If it worked, we have a database set up right now that should be tracking, it's scraping the data from Prometheus daily and adding it to a database. And then I will be working on adding an API to that so that people on the team can just query the database through the API instead of, exposing raw SQL queries to an API route. So I'll get that up probably today and then getting stuff ready for the upgrade and testing the upgrade afterwards to make sure everything's good.
Right. And the upgrade will be next Thursday.
This coming Thursday, yes.
Thursday. All right. Spuddy.
I was doing a lot of Discord chat this morning. Had a lot of DMs from validators and reporters who are genuinely getting into it now because they can feel that a mainnet is coming. So the intensity on Discord has ramped up a little bit. Someone asked about switching their reporter because they want to have a reporter that's not the same as their validator because they're getting that error message, right? And there should be no problem with having a reporter that's a different address from your validator's address. And I sent the command, I think you do switch reporter, and then that's it. I think you just you have to make a new report. Your new reporter has to delegate to your validator, and then you can run switch reporter with your old reporter's address, and then your staking power goes to you've selected your new reporter. You still need that old address for unbonding. Am I right?
That sounds right.
Yeah, because he's delegating.
Okay.
There's just one small caveat. The old reporter, if those tokens reported within the last 21 days, they can't be switched to a new reporter yet.
They have to wait 21 days before they can do this.
Yeah, if those tokens were included in a report.
Thank you, Dan. I'm also going to fix Tellor. It's a problem that AI genuinely can't solve now. So
Thanks, buddy. Dan, since you're up, how's our upgrade testing of the Cosmos SDK coming along?
Yeah, pretty good. Akram gave me some feedback on the PR. I have to do some updates to the interchain tests. Yeah, I was using a 5-block reporting window for spot prices just to make it easier, but it's probably not the best practice to do to make sure everything works, so I'm gonna switch that back.
Brian.
Yeah, I'm just gonna be working on doing a revamp of the Tellor School content. First thing that I'm gonna do is probably put together a Tellor 101 video. Thinking about doing a long and a short version of it.
Tim.
I've been working on some updates to the user docs, so watch for that. And then that's on our docs website. And then also working on documenting all the processes that go into that user process, like the relayer has had a lot of changes since it was last documented. So there's a lot to document there, and got some user contracts to deploy from the Sequoia changes we made last week. So I've got that for Ryan to put on the relayer website, and there's just general tweaking on the monitors and relayer.
And don't forget the Encode Club. You'll be doing a workshop on using Tellor.
Yes.
At the end of the month, so watch out for that, guys.
And that's super relevant to all the stuff I'm working on, because I'll be talking about the process of using us, at least for a simple test user, simple path.
Akram.
Good morning. I guess testing out the PR that Dan put out. I'm gonna run it locally. I also did some research on other chains that implemented B53 to see if there's any differences. I know this is something Dan also did, but I wanted to do it as well to see find other projects that he probably didn't look at. Besides that, I'm gonna try to implement the median values diff threshold we talked about last week in the config. Yeah, that's it. Those are the main two things.
Thanks, Akram. Nick, thanks for getting the ADR done. Do you have anything else?
No, I'm going to be checking over some docs today. Spuddy, there's an LVM PR with a bunch of messages. Go take a look. Let me know, or you can merge it too, but Dan made it. Make sure it looks good. Yeah, and then I'll send you something, Brendan.
Want to read something?
Mm-hmm.
Look out for the upgrade to mainnet on Thursday. We'll let you know at what time exactly, but so far, Spuddy, you said it was around 8:30 a.m. If that changes, it's because block time changes sometimes. but just be ready. All right. And with that, we'll see you guys next week.